You gonna tell them what you finna do?
Okay.
All right, y'all. Today, Bay is about to put together me a shoe rack. I went to Ross and I got this shoe rack. It was $18.99 for a 32 pair shoe rack by Farberware. And it is stackable. So I decided to come on and let y'all see him put it together. The shoe rack, because I know it can be difficult, you know, putting together a shoe rack, especially if you never did one before. So he is about to put it together for y'all and show y'all how he put it together. So it comes with these long poles that he have in his hand. It comes with some short ones, and it comes with a bag of connectors, which is right there. That's the bag of connectors. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your part that has the silky side, because you got one right side, one wrong side. This the wrong side. You see where the folds is on the outside. And then this is the side that the shoes will be sitting on. So I have one pole already inserted through one side. And then you're going to take another pole and put it through here on this side. Right through there. And just slide it through. And that's what gives it the stability. So just push it all the way through there. So now this is what you have. So then you take the connectors and you put one on each end, making sure that you have it facing inward towards, you want to put one end on there, you want to have one pointing up, and you want one end point inward on each side, because you're going to take you a short pole to connect here. And then this one here is to stack upward another layer. Okay, so you're going to run into a problem if you don't connect the connectors right. When you look at the connector, you have two short sides on the connector, and then you have a long side, which is the long side I'm holding. When you connect it, you want to make sure that you have the two short sides going this way and the long side standing up. Now the reason for the long one is because it's going to give you more height in between each layer. Now you put the two short sides. The reason why you have to make sure you put the two short sides is because if you have the long side this way, it's going to make your bars in between bend and to be lopsided, and it's not going to connect perfectly. So that's why you have to make sure that the short side is going in towards the long piece and in towards the short piece, and the tall piece standing up high. All right, so you're going to do that for each corner, and this is what you're going to have right here. So now we're going to add a piece in the center here, and that's what's going to give us our height in between. So I'm guessing that the ones in the center is going to be the shorter ones to give us the height in between. So you're going to put one of these here on each four sides. You got a short, medium, and long. The short is going to be the length in between, the height in between. The medium one is going to be your length, and then the long ones is going to be your length. So I'm going to do that and I'm going to show y'all. So now this is what we got. And you're going to add another layer. Okay, so now we have this, and then I have another one put together. So another problem you may run into when you get ready to put your last side on and connect it together to make it whole, you may run into a problem here. If you don't put this elbow on this side bar first, then and try to put it on the long bar first, you're going to run into a problem with connecting it, because you have to put the elbow on the short bar first and then connect your last one to the long bar. I just had to throw that out there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one here, and stack it right on top of this one here. And that's our first layer, second layer actually. So to make the process quicker, what I'm doing is I'm just go ahead and connecting the connectors to the short bars. All right, so my husband finna demonstrate it for y'all. That's the medium bars. Oh yeah, that's the, yeah, cause you gotta put, oh yeah, cause I'm supposed to put the short ones on now. Okay, so he finna change out the medium bars, put the short bars. That's the ones you're supposed to put, not the medium. I'm sorry, I forgot the medium is the ones that goes in between. He's connecting the long bars into it. He put the connectors up there. He put them in there. That's if you want to do it this way and don't connect them first like I was doing. Then you pull. It ain't gonna make it. Alrighty y'all, so now he got another layer on. He put the bars in between. He gonna stack another one. This one here already ready. That's the sidebar. Okay, so you got the sidebars on. You got to put 2 more of those on the top.
Right. What the rest of?
Right there up under that thing. So now he about to put the next layer on, connect the long ones right into the sides. And then they're gonna do the other side. And there's the next layer. So you keep doing the same thing over and over. So now the last one that goes on the top is the little angled ones to make the bars for the top. And this is how you make a Farberware 32 pair shoe rack. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Peace, love, many blessings to each and every one of y'all. To the next one. I am out. Alright, y'all, so I have taken that shoe rack and combined it with my shoe rack I already had. You got to make sure it's the same kind, that way they can stack. And now I have a taller shoe rack.